Hey guys. I'm just gonna do a quick little bike ride. This is the path that runs on top of the jetty in Boston Harbor. There was a whale out here a while ago, and I thought maybe I could see a picture of it, but probably not. But I just thought it actually is pretty cool. It's a pretty nice ride. Look, there's a boat out there. It's probably a ferry, I think, maybe from Hingham going to Boston. Anyways, I hope you guys are having fun. Yeah, I think that's a ferry. Look at that, it's a nice big boat. Anyways, I'm just gonna go up to the end of the path here. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Anyways, I hope you're having fun. I'm always thinking about you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys later.